Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, topic A, bia agus Deoch. Level A1, topic 9, food and drink. Level A1, topic A, Rannóg ag ordú-Cuid hAon ag díristeach bheith Labhairt. Level A1, Topic 9, Section 7, Ordering, Part 1, Focusing on Speaking. Ag ordú, le múna, tuairimí a chur in úl faoi bhia agus buíochas agus bia agus deoch a ordú. So giving opinions about food and drink and ordering food and drink. An malat, do you like? Céféad freagra atá agat an gceist. How many answers do you have for the question? An malat isce beatha, do you like whiskey? Isma, Nima, two pretty straightforward answers. Or you could answer with Isbra me, I love it. Is fuala me, I hate it. If you think back to Unit 5, Cahavimshra, we discussed how to give opinions. Tuairimí a chur in úl. Tuairimí a chur in úl, giving opinions. So from I prefer it, it's awesome, it's the best, down to don't like it, I've no interest in it. And these are some of the ways we looked at expressing an opinion in Cahavimshra Éine the Cuig. So we'll use an malat fian, do you like wine? Is fearla me, I prefer it. Is brala me, I love it. Is mala me, I like it. Ní mala me, I don't like it. Is fuala me, I hate it. Níl simdá laid the gum, I bhíonn, no. Obviously, we could use I or sa, depending on the item you're talking about. So, Kesh the gum earth, I have a question for you. On my lat, I will ask you a bunch of questions and try and mix up your answers, not answering the same thing every time. On my lat turhi, do you like fruit? On my lat iusk. On my lat glasri. Amalat shikin. Amalat fian Deoch. Tuairimí blasta. Tasty opinions. Tomid chun cluiche a immert. We're going to play a game. Tuairimí blasta an tanam atá So tuairimí blasta, tasty opinions. An tanam atá is the name of it. Beag an filleog ag ordú sa bhíolann uait an gníomhaíoch seo, you'll need a handout ag ordú, ordering, sa bhíolann in the restaurant for this activity. The link to the handouts and notes is in the description box below. Ordú sa bhíolann. Tóg tamil chun brathnú na pictiúr agus chun an stórfachal an nilog a léamh. So take a moment to look at the pictures and to read the vocabulary list on the handout. Ag ordú sa bhíolann. Freastalí. Aber repeat after me. Freastalí. Bille. Bille. Cupán. Cupán. Buíochas. Buíochas. Béile. Béile. Buidéal. Buidéal. glunne, glunne. Anois, match seáil an folklore leis na hAon na cearta. And now match the vocabulary with the correct images. Scríomh an focal ceart in aice leis an íomhá ceart. Write the correct word beside the correct picture. Agus anois na freagraí, freastalí, Míle, hAon, buíochas, Gaeilge, buidéal, glunne. Agus anois, anamnig an picture. Name the picture. Míle, hAon, freastalí, glunne, Míle, buidéal, buíochas. Bhailít. Would you like? Bhailít. Bhailít. Repeat after me. Bhailít. So if you want to offer somebody a drink, you would say bhailít. And to answer that, saying yes, I would like, bóha. Bóha. Say it after me. Bóha. Níorha. I wouldn't like, no thank you. Níorha. Níorha. And now some specific examples. I'll have you listen to me say it first, and then I'll repeat it, and I'll have you repeat it after me. Bhailít. Bhailít Deoch. Would you like a drink? Bhailít Deoch. Bhailít Deoch. Bóha. Bóha. Bhfuilm cupán té le do hol. Bhfuilm cupán té le do hol. Bhfuilm cupán té le do hol. Bóha. Gur raibh maith agat. Bóha. Gur raibh maith agat. So here we had 3 examples of different answers you could give. Bóha, I would. Bhfuilm cupán té le do hol. I would like a cup of tea, if you please. Bóha, gur raibh maith agat. I would, thank you very much. Níorha, gur raibh maith agat. Níorha, gur raibh maith agat. No, thank you. I wouldn't like one. No, thank you. Bhailít, would you like? So I'll ask you some questions and you can answer them. And then after you've answered them, I'll give you a chance to read through the slide by yourself one last time. Bhailít cupán café. Bhailít cupán té. And now I'll have you just read through the whole slide. Bhailít glunne uisce. Bhailít arán dom. And now your turn to read. Háiseanna agus freagraí, questions and answers. So let's look again at some of the options we have here for answering the question. Bhailít, would you like? Bhfuilm, I would like. Bhfuilm. Má sé do holle. If you please, or please. If it is your wish is more of a literal translation, but it just means please, basically. Le de hall, another way to say please. Gurav magat, thank you. Yes, thank you. Tá fáilte, you're welcome. Some people will say that you should only use tá fáilte when you're welcoming somebody to a place, into your home, but it's often used in this context. So, you know, I wouldn't worry about it. I would use it often. Or another way you can say that is no haber, no mention, don't mention it. Or no bach, don't worry, no bach. And I'll have you read through these one more time. Ceistena éagsúla, different questions. An bhfuil legan eile den cheist seo atá ólas agat. Do you know another version of this question? Or can you think of one that we have covered? An maileat hell, an maileat hell, an maileat sport, an maileat sport. Cad é an difríocht idir an dá cheist? What is the difference between the two questions? Take a moment to think about that. Maileat, an maileat. What's the difference? What's the difference in meaning? Maileat, an maileat. Ní ahrú canúnach é. It's not a connuit change. It's not a dialectic difference. Tá brí omlán difriúil ag an dá legan difriúla. So there's a completely different meaning for the two different versions of it. So, cad é an difríocht idir an dá cheist? What is the difference between the two questions? Maileat is would you like? Maileat, would you like? An maileat, do you like? An maileat, do you like? And we answer these differently. Maileat, would you like? Bhailm, I would like. Níormha, I would not like. An maileat, do you like? Isma, I do. Níma. Chuir ceist orm ag buint úsáide as. An maileat nó mhailleat. Éis go géir le maragraí. Baigurt mé a cheartú má dhéanam botún. So I will be asked questions using mhailleat or an maileat. Listen carefully to my answers. You will have to correct me if I make a mistake. So I'm going to mix it up. Obviously, an maileat, what are the correct answers going to be? Positive or negative? Mhailleat, what are the positive and negative answers for that? So listen carefully and make sure that I use the correct form. You can just jot down a little check mark and an X and see how I do. If I get it wrong, make a note of what the correct answer should have been.
Mhailleat cupán té.
Bhailm.
Mhailleat glunne fianna.
Ismálam.
An maileat arán dám.
Nímálam.
Mhailleat cafe.
Isma.
Mhailleat ceapara.
Níormhalam.
An maileat suíomh.
Níormhalam.
An maileat císte seachláide.
Ismálam. Ceistena éagsúla, and now we'll go back and check. Mhailleat cupán té, an céad ceann, mhailleat cupán té. Would you like a cup of tea? I got that correct. The correct answer is either boa, nearwa. An dara cheann, the second one, walat glynna fianna. And I did not answer that correctly. The correct answer should have been for walat. It should be either boa lum or nearwa, nearwalum. An tríú cheann, an malat aron dom. Do you like brown bread? I got that one correct. The correct answers would be either isma or nima. Ismalam aron dom, nimalam aron dom. Walat cafe. Would you like coffee? I got that one incorrect. It should have been boa or nearwa. And the next one was walat capera. Would you like a sandwich? And I answered this one correctly. Correct answer is going to be either boalam, nearwa, lum. The next one, malat su oroshta. Do you like orange juice? And I answered that one incorrectly. I should have answered on malat. I should have answered ismalam or nimalam. And the last one, on malat kishta shakloida. Do you like chocolate cake? And I answered that one correctly. The correct answer being either ismalam or nimalam. Ag an bhuileog ag ordú Tuarim versus Tairskent ut than gníomhaíocht seo. So you'll need the handout ordering Tuarim, an opinion, versus Tairskent, an offering for this activity. So basically, Tuarim, on malat, do you like, versus Tairskent, offering somebody something, would you like. Tuarim versus Tairskent. Lé na ceistena seo a leannas. Read the following questions. Ascríomh na ceistena faoin tidal cuí. So rewrite the questions under the correct title. Tuarim no Tairskent. Opinion versus an offering. Tuarim, opinion, Tairskent, to offer. And so we have walat cupán cafe, an malat sport, walat dinner, an malat seachlóid, an malat té, walat cupán té, walat tosta, an malat arán dom. Agus na freagraí, walat cupán cafe, Tairskent. An malat sport, Tuarim. Walat dinner, Tairskent. An malat seachlóid, Tuarim. An malat té, Tuarim. Walat cupán té, Tairskent. Walat tosta, Tairskent. An malat arán dom, Tuarim. Conas a aithníonn tú an difríocht. How do you recognize the difference? Well, Tuarim, an opinion, is an malat, an ma. And Tairskent, an offer or an offering, walat, would you like. Ceistena a chruthú, composing questions. Anois, cruthig ceithre cheist, and now compose or create 4 questions. Ní gá duit iad a scríobh síos, you don't need to write them down. Chuir na ceistena ormsa, ask me the questions. So pretend you're asking me the questions and mix them up. Déan machnamh chluite a chabhróidh leat smaoinemh an difríocht idir walat agus an malat. So think about ways that will help you to think about the difference between walat, would you like, and an malat. Sa bhíolann, in the restaurant. Bíolann, a restaurant. Sa bhíolann, in the restaurant. So buíochas, the menu. Buíochas, aber buíochas, say it. Raibh chomsa, raibh chomsa. A pre-course or an appetizer, raibh chomsa, raibh chomsa. Príomh chomsa, príomh chomsa. A main course, príomh chomsa, príomh chomsa. Milseog, milseog. A dessert, milseog. Deoch, deoch. A drink. So we have buíochas, raibh chomsa, príomh chomsa, milseog, and deoch. Now I'll have you repeat them after me. Buíochas, buíochas. Raibh chomsa, raibh chomsa. Príomh chomsa, príomh chomsa. Milseog, milseog. Deoch, deoch. And now read down through them yourself. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a seacht ag ordú, and that's the end of section 7, ordering. Tuairimíoch ar an uail faoi bhia agus faoi dheoch agus bia agus deoch a ordú, giving opinions about food and drink and ordering food and drink. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh taitneamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.